What's going on YouTube? So, a little bit of a backstory on this package in the mail. As some of you may know, a couple years ago I put together a unicorn RC build. There was something in particular that wasn't exactly quite what I wanted it to be, and it's the tires. So before these came out, I've been trying to come up with my own little 1/10 scale TOYO tires, the one specifically used for Ken blocks. But yeah, this was the prototype that I made, and it was from Shapeways. It was a little bit of me not knowing exactly what kind of plastic, and I did look into it and seen some of the high density polypropylene plastics, and that, assuming that it would come out to be the smooth black plastic that you would all know for 10 scale drift cars. So ended up coming up with this, and then I was like, it was too gray. As you can see, the printing, you can see the little pixels and the polygons and all that stuff. So a couple years down the line, Buzzbreak, they decided to make the TOYO, what was it, the 888R, and I was like, yes, I had to have them. So long and behold, I got it in the mail. So let's get into this unboxing. Enough of me chatting, and let's get right to it. Alright, so as you can see, I did get 2 sets, because as soon as I saw them, I was like, just had to have them. That's it. The R888R. PROXES. Heck yes. Alright, let's get these things open. I've been too excited. So here they are. Wow. So they do feel exactly like the whatchamacallit, the Valino tires. Not saying it's a bad thing, but love it. So excited to try these out. These are fucking awesome. Love the treads. Love the TOYO PROXES treads. It's finally in my hands. Excited to get these on a special project coming up soon, but I'll do enough talking and I'll show off some beauty shots. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you liked the video, and click the notification bell if you want to see more. Thank you.